BSMART is a consortium that addresses Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is a disease where already in Europe alone 7 million patients are suffering from, and currently there's no cure with all the treatments that are currently available. And as a result, we set out on a journey to try and tackle that with a new kind of drug, siRNA, and a new kind of way of reaching the brain, and that is through the cerebrospinal fluid barrier. And by that, we hope to deliver more of the drug at the site where it should be, namely in the brain. This has been made possible during the past 5.5 years by a European consortium that was spread out all over Europe, and well, we collaborated on this exciting topic. We had 3 different stages. The first one is really to bring together all the individual components that need to form the therapeutic, basically. So on the one hand, that's the active ingredient. It's a very sensitive active ingredient, so it needs to be encapsulated, and we encapsulate them into nanoparticles, and we have different kinds of those. And then we had a key, basically, a targeting ligand on the surface of those nanoparticles that functions as a key to open the door to the brain, and that is a nanobody that opens the door to the cerebrospinal fluid barrier and then enters the brain. Over the past 6 years, we collaborated intensively with all the partners, and all the partners were really necessary to arrive at the final stage of BSMART. I think it's really great to see that we've established this blood-cerebral spinal fluid barrier as a new gateway for drugs to enter the brain. And well, this may be used for siRNA and nanocarriers, but could also be used for a variety of other drugs. So it's really an enabling technology to deliver drugs into the brain. And secondly, I think we also help to develop a new generation of siRNA nanocarriers, and that is really important for the next phase of siRNA therapeutics. So it's really a great success to see that these technologies have come out of BSMART.